Hi, in this video we are going to check how we can test responsive websites in Chrome. If you are developing any websites or doing any work, you might want to check it on very different sizes and screens, but you might not have all the devices. So you need a tool where you can actually test and make sure that it works in each and every device. This is one of the test website which I have. If I want to do the if I want to check this, how this is going to look like on an iPad, let's see. You can right click anywhere and go to this inspect element. That's the console and the testing tool from Chrome. Under that, you have this icon. Click on this and it will give you these settings where you have general overrides and workspace. Under overrides, you can enable the override and you can see you have the user agent. So, and the device metrics. So let me just bring it up. So you have two things, which is a user agent and the other thing is device metrics. Sizes can be based on these user agents. So you can select whether you want to see it on an iPad, whether you want to see it on an iPhone, you want to see it on an Android or Galaxy Nexus. So you have a lot of options around here. This is the size of playbook. So you can choose the agent. Like for Android, you have a lot of different sizes. So you can choose the agent as Android 4.02, and if you want, you can change the size also to make sure that you are checking the correct width and height. Currently, let's look at how the site will look on iPhone. I have selected user agent as iPhone. The sizes has automatically been filled, and you can see that the site has already been changed, and this is how it's going to look like on an iPhone, and this is how it's going to function in iPhone. So you can do all kind of a testing here. As long as your tool is open, you are going to get this iPhone sizes and look and feel of iPhone. So you can do a complete testing and make sure that this website looks perfectly well on each and every sizes. So that's how you can do the responsive testing with Chrome. Hope this have helped. If you like the video, just hit the like button or subscribe to Make Web World YouTube channel for more tips. Thanks.